All right, so we're going to look at reading a seam gauge, and you will use the seam gauge when you're sewing. Often it is going to look just like the one you see here on the screen. Sometimes they are silver with black lines and no numbers given for you, so you do have to know how to look at it and how to read it. So right over here, there is a little circle punched out. That's done quite a bit on these seam gauges. They often have that little circle punched out. Right above it, there's a little line. That is going to be 1/8 of an inch. So that's your first measurement that you're going to be looking at. So we're going to just kind of zoom in on this little 1-inch area here. I am going to use a pointer so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But this 1-inch space is divided into 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8/8 in 1 inch. So we have our first measurement over here is the 1/8 mark. The next one, if you just want to count, would be 2/8, and we would convert that to 1/4 or 1/4 inch. The next one would be 3/8 of an inch. The next would be 4/8, but we will convert that to be 1/2 inch. Then we have 5/8 of an inch. Then we have 6/8 or 3/4 of an inch, 7/8, and then our 8/8 would be the 1-inch mark. So what you're going to be doing on the activity is you're going to be taking this little red line right here, and you are going to look at the description of where it is supposed to be lined up with, and you're going to click on that red line, and you're going to drag it right on top of the measurement that you are being asked to look for. So let me show you in this view. So let's say I am being asked to put this on 7/8 of an inch. I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to drag it over until I find the 7/8 mark, and then I'm going to let go. So when you turn it in, I will see that you have put your red line over the top of the 7/8 mark, okay? So you'll just repeat that process through all of the different examples. So just proceed on to the next slide, and you'll click that red line, drag it to wherever you are being told to, and move on to the next one till you have completed all of them.